A couple heavy storms that come through the area. You can see water still laying on the road. You get a hydroplane in there. This is 94 coming up on Old Annapolis Rock. You can see water laying on the road. About 9:48 from when I left, when I saw the flood warning. There's a bridge here. You see water's laying on the road. See a lot of the stuff washed down the road. This big storm just came through. It's not really raining that hard now, but there is still a good bit of water left on the roads. See, water was running down the road there. I know it's hard to see at night, but see water laying in the yard right there. Water laying in the driveway. Water laying in the driveway there. There's water on the road. You can see the water on the road. Nothing. I don't know if you can see or not. Nothing down here. I'm walking down here now. It's not even wet. It's a little bit wet. That's about it.